Here I've got a Blaupunkt SF, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down, find and select security, and then go to screen lock. It's time to select the kind of screen lock that you would like to have, so obviously you can have none of them, just swipe or the real protection, so pattern, pin code or the password. So let me pick pattern, and now draw the unlock pattern. I would like the L letter, click on continue and draw it one more time. To confirm, click on confirm. And now decide if you would like to see all notifications content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive notification content, or you want to see them at all. And I will pick the third option, click on done. And from now on, as you can see, you will not be able to unlock your device without this pattern. So you have to draw it like that, and now you have access to your device. So from now on, no stranger will be able to unlock your device. And that's it. This is how you can protect your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.